Hey there, welcome to the world of passive income, and today we're talking about Honeygain. This amazing platform offers a unique way to earn money by simply sharing your internet connection. So buckle up, because this ride to easy earnings is just getting started. Now, you might be wondering, what's the first step? Well, it's simple. Go to the Honeygain website and sign up. It's a breezy process, and once you're done, the platform will prompt you to download the app. Once you've downloaded the app, install it on your device. It could be your PC, your laptop, or even your smartphone. The best part? The app runs silently in the background, making use of your unused internet bandwidth. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Honeygain has a referral program. By referring friends, you can turbocharge your earnings. For every person who signs up using your unique link, Honeygain offers a sweet referral bonus. That's right, you get a percentage of their earnings. It's a win-win situation, and the more friends you refer, the more passive income you earn. So go ahead and share your referral link on social media, forums, or with friends and family. The more you spread the word, the more potential referrals you get, and the more you earn. Now take a look at this. Here's a glimpse of my earnings. As you can see, it adds up over time, and it's all done with minimal effort on your part, thanks to Honeygain working its magic in the background. And there you have it, folks. A simple and effective way to earn passive income with Honeygain. Don't forget to check the description for my referral link to boost your earnings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy earning. And remember, don't miss out on this opportunity for passive income. Click on the link in the description and start earning with Honeygain today.